Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make cake flour at home. I can't find any cake flour in supermarkets here in New Zealand, so I usually make my own cake flour from scratch, and you only need 2 ingredients for this. Super easy to make. The main difference between all-purpose flour and cake flour is that cake flour has lower protein content. So protein actually becomes gluten when we add liquid ingredients to the flour, and gluten is great because it gives structure to the baked goods, but having too much of it would make the bread or cake tough and dense. So using cake flour is ideal for baking delicate cakes like castella cake and chiffon cakes where we want it to be soft and light in texture. Cake flour is basically a mix of all-purpose flour and cornstarch. The purpose of the cornstarch is to prevent some of that gluten from forming in the cake flour, so we end up with a soft and light cake. So let's go and make cake flour now. All we need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This measurement will make us 1 cup of cake flour, so you can multiply it depending on how many cups of cake flour that you need. Remove 2 tablespoons of flour from the 1 cup of flour that you measured. You can return the 2 tablespoons to the bag of flour because you don't really need them anymore. Then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the all-purpose flour we measured. Whisk until the cornstarch and all-purpose flour are combined really well. Sift the cornstarch and all-purpose flour mixture, and I recommend sifting it twice. It's very important not to skip this step because you want that cornstarch to be evenly combined with the all-purpose flour. After sifting, it's basically ready to use. You can store your cake flour in a tightly sealed container or a jar like this so you can use it when you bake later on. I use cake flour to make this delicious castella cake, and if you want to learn how to make it, you can watch it on this link. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at PriamC for more updates. I hope you learned something new from this video. See you in the next one.